Alright, let's do a room check at my room at Sunwing Cala Bona. Let's go. This is room 1301 on the third and the highest floor. And this is the entrance. And here we have a living space and a kitchen as well. And we have a nice mirror to check yourself. Here we have a bathroom with quite spacious indeed, and a shower as well. As we go further in, we have a kitchen with fridge and amenities to use, microwave as well, even a water heater as well, a super huge sofa for one person, right? And they have left me 2 gifts here, as I'm a frequent traveler with Wink. It says, "Thank you for choosing to travel with us again." A water bottle. That's what I needed. And another gift from Ika. Some recharge. And oh, I really needed this one. It's like a bag for, it's like a necessaire bag. So it pays off to be a frequent traveler. And the bed is huge for one person. I think this is like a family room that can also be used this to sleep because it's huge, right? This is almost as big as my apartment at home. I'm not gonna lie, yeah, it's huge. And let's check the balcony. Now I wanted sea view, but I got this instead. Mountain view. It's still nice. Still nice. You can see all the Scandinavian flags, the European Union flag and the Spanish flag. And here I'm gonna get a beautiful sunset actually. So that's good because on the other side is east, that is facing the sea. And very huge balcony as well, almost the same size as my own in Stockholm. And yeah, so Cala Bona is located on the east coast of Mallorca island in Spain. I'm gonna be here for 2 weeks. This is gonna be my home for 2 weeks. So I have asked if it's possible to change to a room with sea view, and I'm waiting for a answer on that. But other than that, the room, even if I don't get changed, this is also very nice. I also love the mountain view as well, but not gonna lie, sea view would be slightly better, I think. So yeah, there's also the TV. And there is lots of storage space here as well. I didn't mention that. And I just love how open it is, that you can really enjoy your vacation. And some more storage capabilities here as well. And even extra storage in the bedroom as well. There is a sliding door to the bedroom in case you're a larger family here. And here it says that there will be no cleaning tomorrow, as tomorrow is Sunday. The flight was 3 hours and 50 minutes or something. It felt so fast because I was sleeping all the way through. But yeah, I haven't got any sleep yesterday in the night because I have taken the bus at 3 o'clock to the airport, and the flight was at 8 o'clock. So now I need to rest a bit, but I can go actually to the beach as now it is 3:12 p.m. and let's see when is going to be the how it's going to be the beach here, as this is Sunwing Cala Bona and it is a 4-star resort. There is even lots of activities, lots of entertainment, and also trainings as well that you can go to for free. That's included in the price. There is also meals that you can buy extra. I didn't buy any meals. I'm gonna be eating out and eating in as well, as the food here is very inexpensive in Spain. And I have been eating a lot on the cruise that I was on recently from Miami to LA, so I need to go down in weight now. The weight that I have gained, as I am now 77 kilos and I used to be 74. So the goal is to get those 3 kilos down by the end of this vacation. So yes, greetings from my room 1301 of the Cala Bona, Mallorca, and yeah, I'm gonna be sharing with you lots of different adventures from here in Mallorca, as I'm here for 2 weeks. I'm leaving on 3rd of May and today is 19th of April, so I'm gonna be here now for Easter as well as for 1st of May. So not sure when you're gonna see this video, but cheers and see you soon again with another adventure around the world and another room check maybe soon on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.